And good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, September 27th. Not much action in the overnight trade. We're a little bit on the defensive in corn, beans, and meal. Oil's up a little bit, along with the spring wheat. Winter wheat's down a little bit, nothing more than like 1 or 2 cents. We continue to have a lack of buying interest in the market right now. We have the U.S. harvest ongoing right now, and right now without any type of weather calamities. Trade is kind of thinking that maybe the USDA may be kind of right with their yield right now. So once again, that's limiting buying interest. We're also going to have a USDA report at the end of the week, being quarterly stocks and a small grains report. It's also going to be the end of the month and the end of the quarter. So that too has people more or less moving to the sidelines. Today we'll get our weekly ethanol stats coming on out, and we'll also have export sales tomorrow. So more or less just kind of biding time in here more than anything else. After the USDA report at the end of the month, trade will then be focusing on the October report, once again revisiting those yields, and then we'll start to get into South American weather. So when you look at all this stuff, the ongoing harvest, this USDA report coming on up, the end of the month position evening, the anticipation that the yields are going to be okay and no problems in South America, it's still somewhat of a non-bullish environment in here. What we do have, however, is money flow, and we continue to see where the trade has modest net short positions in the softwood winter wheat and in the corn. We have a modest net long position in the beans, a sizable net long position in the soybean oil, but that oil market's been coming apart a little bit in here. Yesterday there was talk about the EPA talking about cutting the blending amounts for biodiesel, and then we still have to trade somewhat of a small net short in meal. So like I say, we have money flow more so than any type of bullish fundamentals, and if anything, the fundamentals right now continue to limit the buying interest, and thus perhaps the weakness that we've been seeing here this week. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.